welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unwrap this. These are the 24 Powerowl coin cell battery Pro. It's a SR626SW 377AG4, or also known as LR626 type. So for this video, I'm going to replay this NEF battery, watch battery. So as you can see, the watch is totally dead. So I'm going to open the Philip screws on the back here. So be sure you know which type your watch battery take. Okay. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description, so you can check them out. And I would like to give this shout out to Bella from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, Powerowl is a trusted brand. Some of the battery I purchased my own, and it lasts longer, so compared to other one. So yeah, it's pretty small, so make sure you don't lose it. Got the magnetic pad here, so I put the screw nice and easy so I don't lose it. So for this NEF watch, you gotta remove this plastic that's covering the battery. Okay. And all you need to do is just pop out that old battery. Yeah, just pop it right out. And grab your new battery and push back in. Put this plastic, make sure align correctly. Put the watch back, the back cover. You're gonna make sure it's gonna work before you put the battery back on the back cover. Alright, so I hear the ticking, so I'm gonna put it back. And as you can see, the man has moved downward. So it's working. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the links in the description so you can check out this battery. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. I always peace.